I've been provoked. And it's known that I have armed security forces. But we never use them because we are family. This son of mine, when Remutu's Ansa Mahadi was 20 years old, all his children, when they were born, they were with him. And they were with me in my house. Let me say one thing. It's so sad or Mosa today, my daughter-in-law, a month. You know, in Africa, we have this respect of honoring the dead. Just to mourn. Her children, there's been a fight for her children. I've just heard, I never saw it. Or one of the family members, Sahal Khalil, went on this media houses saying they were not responsible, they are not fit.